Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna take a tour of the canal boat launch and the fishing pier. Making a turn into the boat launch area first and see what we have going on here. Now we're gonna speed up and head toward the right side to the playground and the fishing pier. In the parking lot right here, usually they host car show often if you're interested into car modification and stuff. On the right here there's a flat playground where you can play volleyball, soccer and stuff. Coming up there will be a nice playground shaded on the left for your kids. On the right is along the boat launch channel. It's really nice view where you can sit and chill with your friends and family. We're getting close to the fishing pier now. Beautiful day today. The sunset, the time right now, let me see what's the time. We're at 7:21 p.m. and it's extremely nice out here with the sunset. Everyone is got their fishing stuff out here. There's a lot of rocks down here, so it's gonna be best to fish on the pier. We're gonna take a walk up here around the pier. Up here's a patio right here. You can have a party with your family. Here's the rule to follow. Let's see if anyone catch anything. It's probably gonna be all the file for fishing Facebook group in this area. You can cast your net around this area to get some live bait. Beautiful sunset. It is nice to be out here fishing with your kids. That's how you do it. Family get together, fun, having fun. Catch anything yet, buddy?
I only catch.
Huh? Catch anything yet, guys?
Little catfish.
Okay. What's up, man? How's it going?
Good.
How long you been out?
Like 30 minutes probably.
Okay. Guys, did any catch anything last night at Bonneville? Nothing. Hey, how's it going, man? Look like someone create this cleaning table. Might be the Fire for Fishing group. Gonna walk down along this aisle here. In the past couple months, they have been upgrading all the light around this pier. All green LED now, very bright. When it gets dark, it's gonna attract a lot of fish in. Continue walking down here with a beautiful sunset going on right now. And right under the sun is a reef down there. And you can see there is a fish rod holder every 6 feet here. You can stick up your rods. Very nice fishing pier. But most of the time it's still pretty slow fishing around here. So hopefully there's some more improvement to draw in the fishes. I do see other people with a boat fishing close to this power tower. There's a lot of red fish hanging out around the power tower. As for fishing from the pier here, I see people usually catch eel, catfish, and a lot of alligator gar and sharks as well. And here should be a reef down here. I tried fishing this area last time, but only caught a eel after like 3 hours. It's a nice day, guys, with the sunset. You want to say hi to the camera, Haley? Hello, hi. Alright, we're gonna continue walking around here. Around here they have a fishing rod holder pretty much installed everywhere, so you can hook up your rod every 6 feet away. You have a rod holder, the green LED right here, so at night it's gonna lit up pretty nicely. But they also have a shade and light installed here. If there's any rain, you get cover. Some fishing tackle, and pretty much you can fish all around the bay here. Very nice looking. Got a boat coming through. So I'm just smashing some of the plates over there. That's fun. Got some guy riding a RC motor. Water looks really nice today. It's beautiful out here, guys. If you go out here, you don't catch anything, you still get to enjoy the nice sunset view. And there's a lot of family activity out here. We're gonna continue walking along the bank here, get a better view. You planning to come out here fish? I think on this side of the bank is a good spot to fish, in my opinion. On this side of the boat launch channel, I usually don't see anyone fishing on this side, so I'm not sure if there's any luck fishing on this side. So take your best judgment on this. Here's the boat launch. The view is absolutely stunning to sit out here and chilling with your friends and family. At 7:48, look like they have turned on the lights at the pier. We have a couple people hanging out on the rocks over there. Some might be fishing. Some activity. That's probably a school of mullet. You can see school of mullet moving around here. Look, we got a bird right here. And school of mullets, probably school of mullet. You can see a lot of school mullets around here, so if you want to catch your bait, this is probably the spot at this time. Look at those beautiful green light. I can see fish is chasing mullet around here, because there's a couple of school of mullet. So if you want to cast your net around here to get some mullet, school of mullet up there. There's some feeding on the top water here, but I don't know how safe it is to cast your net here. There might be rocks down here, so you gotta be careful. Some feeding frenzy over there, school of mullet. So probably nice if you have a kayak and fishing around here. Right, we're heading back up to the pier again. We're close to 8 a.m. right now. 7:55. See if anyone has catch anything. See all those green LEDs. They still have a couple white one. I don't know if they replacing it or they just leave it like that. See some activity in the middle there. Like he caught a small catfish. Catch anything yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. Good luck, man. Oh, look.
What's going on? It's not.
Anything yet?
Nothing good, just croaker.
Alright, man. Good luck.
Alright.
Heading out. So, seems to be slow. But that's it for the tour of the Cannibal Lodge Pier. Like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Later, guys.